Do you know that right now it's perfect time to start create money with generative AI? Yes, first wave gold rush, it's actually coming down. And now you have the perfect models that can create stunning images, and you have services that catch up to start selling this. Zero down, you can open your business and start making money with this. In this video, let me show you how you can do this, how to create images. For this, you want to ComfyUI. Don't pay to any services at all. The models, what I recommend you, anime. It's a new on ComfyUI. It's generating anime type of the images, which is very popular, but most important, they are very easy to extract. They have it very flat shading, so it's a perfect if you do any t-shirt printing. They provide a minimum amount of color. So this is like the best you can get it. Another ones I recommend if you want a little bit more complex, it's called image ideogram. Here you can create complex from black and white to other like comic books, pattern. You can create a huge apostrophe or just images on the t-shirts. And of course, keep in mind when you generate this, they still be a little bit small images. And this is where many people stopped because they think it's low resolution. They start printing, quality is not there. So what you need to do, it is using upscaler where you can look how excellent details you can create it with this upscale. I will put link down below for you. So all of this, everything, you can start produce this art with absolutely free on ComfyUI on your computer. How you can distribute this? They sponsor our video, the Printful, coming to help. You can start make your products and you can start selling and you can create your own store. After your first time login, you want to set up your store. What I want to show you is how to create actually your first product from different designs. We're going to the product catalog. And here you can select from over 1,000 different products. For me, we're going with men clothing and we're going to select a t-shirt. So let's go ahead, select one t-shirt. Select colors. I would recommend start with one of the color you think will work best for your initial design. And in my case, I'm just going with a white, large, and depend on the type of the shirt. You may have it the front, back, large, all different sizes. I will recommend start from the front because if the person wearing backpack, what is mostly happen, let's go instead white sand. I personally like to wear like these sand colors because if you have a teeny tiny spill or dirt, you cannot see. Load it and look, this is design, it's on white. It's definitely stand out. So good stuff what we have it. It is we can remove background if you have it. In our case, we kind of already don't have a background. So it's a fit very well. But I want to add a little bit more. We don't constrain just to one image. Maybe put a Tengu. It's another character what is here. See, like Tengu, we'll go put it right there at the bottom. And let's put it one more on the top. This is its layers, can go one on top of another. We'll put it right around here. Scale down and let's make a little bit more action sideways, just like this. Look, right there. Look at this. We designed perfect, very fun, interesting shot. Next, we'll save template. And at this time, we can design what is you want to make up, like look over. I think this is good. We'll just add to the store. Done. Look on this, press it to make up. Very good. This, there you go. Continue. Yes, we want to accept. You can modify if you want it. For me, I just want to show you how fast we can do right. Done. I have a product. I have an actual product that I can go click, add to the store. Now my product is ready. You see how fast? It's a free, it's fast. So let's go again. We'll have it select t-shirt. We go same things. We'll go select maybe white t-shirt, and I'll show you also difference. There, I need to create new template in our case. And for this template, let's create this is a one full image and it can be good, but see it's select on the white. If we click remove background, this is what you want to do. And you remember I tell you it's kind of work very well. See, it's a remove background. You can verify if it's select background, because if we go on the product and we'll select like black color, see how it's already removed. This is what nice about remove. If we don't have it, we'll just have it like this white background. And even you print this white on white, trust me, you still see those elements. So you want to be sure you remove background. Okay, let's go back to our white image. Okay, this is one of the example. So I'll put it this kind of Tengu person there. We'll go to remove background. So it's removed. So let's go to add to the store and see if it's come give it us error. Yep, right there. You see on the bottom? it says it's error, you need review. And if we're going back to edit our print files, we should have an error coming and tell, hey, our resolution is too small. As we're moving area, you can see it says poor quality right there. I think it's way good, only this small, but you not always want to have it this small. You want to have it a little bit bigger. So this is where you need this image upscaler. With small images, it still works just fine on about this resolution. And right here we have it. This, I think, at maximum what we can do, maybe like a text on a background right here. Let's go just take this a little bit smaller. I think this will look cool. I can just go drag and drop those layers. So because I want here up front with hands, those freaking kind of ugly hands, fingers, those ones go up front, generated with AI, everything. But you see on the quality how it's created. This is highly sellable, very nice t-shirt. We did remove background and we can go try to all these different colors, see how they look, all these different colors. I like to make it smaller, like this, and just put it right here on top, just above the backpack, so the people can see. And as well, let's go to our left sleeve if we need it on this case, okay, because the other one's in Japanese, and we'll just put it something like right here on the side, kind of combine, maybe put it like red, our emblem that we have it, or right there. Let's go put it right there, and again drag and drop. So we'll have it black on top of it. We just create with you the t-shirt, which is totally was generating by using our ComfyUI settings. With this, actually I was using anime one that we was using. Our product is alive. Okay, let's go ahead and next we'll look on a product template right here, and you can see this is what we just created. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.